Oh my gosh. I can't believe it. It's amazing. Incredible. In Houston, there's snow. Do you see all this? Do you see? There's so much white behind me. What is this white stuff? It's snow. Look at this. So much snow. Snow everywhere. So I live in Texas. What do you know about Texas? Maybe you know about the rodeo. Maybe you know about cowboys. Or maybe you know that in Texas, it gets very hot. It gets very hot. In Texas, in Houston, it never snows. Never. Not one time. My whole life, as I've lived in Texas, I've never seen the snow. So today, this is history. This is historic. If something is historic, that means it's never happened before. This is history. You could also say it's amazing. It's amazing. That means something is happening that's, wow, amazing, incredible. In this moment, I feel like I live in Canada, like Justine. Did you see Justine's snow video? But I'm so excited. I want to make snowballs. I want to make a snow angel. I want to do everything. But sadly, I have to work. I have to work. So I'm going to work. I'm going to finish my work. And then after, I'm going to come play in the snow. But I want you to see something. I want you to be a part of history. My first ever snowball. I don't have gloves, so this is a bad idea. My hands are cold, but for you all, I'm going to do it. My first ever snowball. Okay. Woo, it's cold. All right, watch this. Snowball. Woo. That was a bad idea. My hands are cold. Okay, I'm going back inside. This is so exciting. It's a winter wonderland. Woo. Okay, see you later. Bye.